In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply themes in PowerPoint. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To start, let's talk about why themes are so important in PowerPoint. Themes can really make your presentation stand out. They set the tone and feel of your slides and can transform a basic presentation into something visually appealing. So, let's dive right into how you can apply these themes effortlessly. First, you'll want to navigate to the Design tab on the ribbon at the top of the PowerPoint window. This is where all the theme-related magic happens. Once you click on the Design tab, you'll see a variety of options and tools that are specifically tailored for enhancing the look of your presentation. Next, take a moment to glance at the Themes gallery. As you mouse over each theme in the gallery, you'll see that PowerPoint gives you an instant preview. This means you can quickly get a sense of how your slides, fonts, colors, and layout arrangements will look with each theme. It's a handy way to visualize your ideas without having to apply a theme first. This feature really lets you experiment and find the perfect vibe for your project. Now, if you want to see more options than what's presented in the initial gallery, you can click the drop-down arrow located in the bottom right corner of the gallery. This will allow you to view all available themes, giving you access to a wider selection. Just think of it like opening a treasure chest filled with unique styles that can give your presentation that extra flair. Once you've browsed through your options and found a theme that resonates with your vision, one that speaks to your audience and complements your content, all you need to do is click its thumbnail. This action will apply the chosen theme to your entire presentation in one seamless move. It's as straightforward as that. And there you have it. Themes are powerful tools that can significantly enhance your PowerPoint presentations with just a few clicks. Whether you're aiming for a clean and professional look or something more vibrant and engaging, taking the time to choose the right theme can make a world of difference. If you're just starting out and feel overwhelmed by options, don't worry. Sometimes it's best to just try a few out and see what fits best. You can always switch themes later if you feel a different one might suit your presentation better. The key is to experiment and find what you love. So that wraps up our lesson on how to apply themes in PowerPoint. Remember to explore the Design tab, utilize those previews, and don't be afraid to scroll through the additional themes to find your perfect match. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it and subscribing for more tips and tricks